Hi everyone and welcome. I'm Rosemary, and in today's Dollar Dinner Challenge video, I have another quick, easy, and delicious meal made with ingredients purchased at Walmart. My son Matt and I have challenged ourselves to shop the most inexpensive grocery items, then come up with delicious and easy combinations to create quick and affordable meals that can be easily scaled to make one meal, or 4 or 8, or as many as you need. For this meal, we picked up this 3-pound bag of gourmet red potatoes for just $1.99 for the entire bag, but we'll only use about half. Also, one 12-ounce package of smoked sausage, which, to the best of my recollection, has undergone some serious shrinkflation over the years, since I remember it being a full 12 ounces per package. But maybe I'm wrong. Let me know in the comments if you remember it that way as well. Then a small onion, some jalapeno pepper rings, and about 4 tablespoons of oil. Since I wanted this meal to come together as quickly as possible, I gave the potatoes a little help. After washing, I pricked each potato in multiple spots with a fork, then placed in a circle in the microwave and cooked on high for 2 minutes. But even when the timer goes off, I'm going to leave them in the microwave to rest and cool down a bit. In the meantime, I turn my attention to the smoked sausage, which I like to cut diagonally to create as much surface area as possible, so that when cooked, I can maximize the crispy factor. Next, I heated a large pan on the stovetop over medium-high heat, and once hot, I added 2 tablespoons of the oil, and once that was hot, I added in the onion which I had minced. I let that cook a minute or two, then added in my smoked sausage, moving it around the pan to make sure the pieces had direct contact with the surface of the pan and moving the onions kind of to the sides. I left those to cook a little and brown up on that one side and took the opportunity to cut my potatoes, which by then had cooled off quite a bit. I cut the potatoes in half lengthwise, then cut each half into 1/4 inch pieces. And you can see just those few minutes in the microwave made these potatoes more tender while not cooking them too much, since I don't want them mushy and I want to still do the majority of the cook on the stovetop. Now back to the sausages, which are now browning up nicely on the one side, so I flipped the pieces over to brown the other side. Once I got some good color on that side, I added in 1/4 cup of the jalapeno slices. You could do more or less if you like, or none at all, but I think about 1/4 cup adds a nice zest of flavor without too much heat. I then let all those cook together for about a minute or so and stirred them to get all the flavors to blend. Next, I removed the sausage, potatoes, and peppers to a bowl, then brought the pan back up to high heat, added the remaining 2 tablespoons of oil, and when hot, added my partially cooked potato slices. I again made sure the potatoes were spread out in the pan with the flat sides of the potatoes touching the surface of the pan. I made sure not to crowd the pan, as I wanted to ensure a nice crisp potato when done. I then let the potatoes cook until golden brown on the one side, about 4 to 5 minutes. When done, I flipped them over to the other side and let those cook again 4 minutes or so, making sure to spread the potatoes out again to make sure that they get nice and crisp on that other side. When nice and brown all around, I added back in the sausage mixture and heat it through. Since both the jalapeno and the sausage are so flavorful, the only seasoning I'm going to use is salt and pepper to taste. And that's it. A delicious, hearty, and nutritious one-pan meal that takes about just 20 to 25 minutes to make. And as always, you can easily scale this meal by using 1 or 2 potatoes, depending on size, and about 1/4 link of the sausage to make a 1-serving portion, or use the whole package and 4 to 8 potatoes, again depending on size of the potato, to make a family-sized portion with 4 adult-sized servings. As for the cost breakdown, this combination of ingredients using the full package of sausage, about half the bag of potatoes, jalapeno, onion, and oil totals $6.09. And since it yields 4 adult-sized portions, the per meal cost is just $1.52. This is actually our 14th Dollar Dinner Budget Ingredient Challenge meal, so if you'd like to see our other inexpensive but impressive quick and easy meal ideas, including our budget makeovers of classics like penne bolognese, or new and innovative meal ideas like barbecue chicken and waffles, or Texadelphia sliders, you can check out the links in the description or click on the entire playlist here. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to give a big thumbs up and please share with anyone you think would also like these recipes and find this video helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.